Oh, what's up, everybody? It's Novadella Investment. Hey, in my last video about the composer, I was telling you all that I'm gonna start documenting my journey, trading options, right? And then in today's video, this is the official day one of building my trading empire. I'm starting with a paper trading account right now. It's one. I'm so TD Ameritrade, or sorry, Schwab. I keep saying TD Ameritrade. Schwab, right, offers this TOS Thinkorswim platform, right? And I'm in the demo section of it. So this is the demo simulated trading session, and you can set this amount to be whatever amount you want to set it to. So a lot of a lot of fake gurus online, they set theirs to like millions, and then they fake trade, and then whatever gains they get, they post it online as if they actually made money. But the reason why I'm in here is because just to sharpen up my trading skills and my entries and so on and so forth, and get used to and get back familiar with the platform. um, I'm going to start simulated trading over the next month or so before I move back into the live. So I'm going to show you that transition as well. So we're going to start off simulated, and then we're going to switch to my live account, which is already funded. Uh, but I want, before risking real money, I'm going to play with fake money and get used to the platform again, and better and used to entering and exiting trades and so on and so forth, and then managing trades as well, because we're dealing with selling credit spreads and so on. So I want to make sure that I'm familiar with rolling spreads and other management techniques and so on and so forth, whether it's turning them into iron condors or whatever else. I know you guys are not too familiar with those terms right now, but over time, hopefully, we can learn together and grow together, right? So, this is a platform that's free. Anyone can get access to this as long as you have a Charles Schwab account. You can get access to this, and it doesn't even have to be a funded account either. Once you sign up for Charles Schwab and you're approved, you have access to this. Not everyone is going to be able to have the same elevated options trading privileges as far as using margin. It's based on how much experience you have investing and trading and so on and so forth. But uh, like I said before, this is the day one video of me building trading empire. I'm gonna start with $1,000. I'm not gonna start with 100,000 like you see here. We're gonna actually change this to 1,000 and try to grow from there over the next month or so. Then we're gonna switch to live. Okay, that's the plan. So before throwing real money into the market, just sharpening my skills, finding my edge, and getting my system locked in, and so on. Like I said before, composer didn't really hit like how I wanted it to. So now it's manual options trading, credit spreads, and long call puts for now, right? And then so this is the part nobody shows. They show the cars, the stacks later on, but this is the work, right? This is the behind the scenes of how you become good in this field, right? You don't just pick up and start trading in a year or a month or a week. I mean, right? Doctors go to school 5, 6, 10 years, right, to become doctors, and then so most people expect to come into the markets and be able to just adapt to it within a year or a month. That's not enough time. Luckily for me, I've had experience before, so for me, I'm not starting brand new. I mean, but it's to be real with you, it doesn't just happen overnight. It takes work, it takes studying, late nights, early mornings. You know what I'm saying? And so on and so forth. So I'm just showing you the real behind the scenes of how you get good at doing this thing. I'm gonna share every trade, every win, right? Every loss. It's all getting documented. The goal is simple: consistency over hype, stacking profits, moving smart, no FOMO chasing, right? I'll be posting weekly updates, wins, losses, lessons, everything. I mean, if you rock with me with real journeys, hit the like button and subscribe, because this is gonna be fantastic, especially when we flip over into the live on my live account and start trading and start making trades live. Right now, the easiest part about trading a small account like this is that a demo account is the fact that there's no emotions involved, right? So it's not your money. You're playing with fake money, basically. In the real markets, though, you're trading in real. So as you can see, it's live data, real time. It's just that the funds you're using. It's not. It's simulated funds. So a big part of trading is emotions, keeping your emotions in check, right? Whether you're up 25%, but your target is really 50, but your emotions won't let you leave those profits on the market. That you tend to exit early, or you set tighter stop losses because you're scared of losing money. You're not gonna win every trade. There's winners and losers. The goal is to be consistent and don't let your wins or your losses outweigh your wins. You know what I'm saying? So we're talking about strategic account management, not risking more than 2% of our account. You know what I mean? And not putting the entire thousand into one trade and so on and so forth and blowing the account up. That's what I'm trying to do. That's the goal here over the next few weeks. So I'm going to show you how to actually adjust the account size within Thinkorswim. So you come in, you click on adjust account, you go down, right, and then you can change it to whatever number you want to, right? You can literally change it to whatever you want to, whatever you want to do, 1 million or whatever the case may be. I'm going to start with 1,000. Obviously, because that's more realistic. You know what I'm saying? As far as what I'm gonna be, anyone can take an account from 100,000 to I don't know 1 million or whatever the case may be. But starting small and document it is the goal here because it's not that easy as you might think it is or as you might see in other videos. So like I said, man, let's build this account together. Let's build together. If you do have a Thinkorswim account and you want to execute and you want to track the trades that I'm entering and so on, feel free to do so. Wide open this entire time. Transparency is what we're all about. So I'll see y'all next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Nova out.